Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Chuck. What I got today is another eBay package I ordered. And what really attracted me to this order was not really the locks, but it was the bidding on the keys they showed. So I just want to open this up and see if make sure there's nothing. Nope. Oh, there's one lock. And there's the second lock. Alright, so these are, let's see, supposed to be two Sargent locks, but let's see. Look at these. I don't like it really that they ship the key in them, but that's alright. So, no real name except Sargent right there. Does work, but look at the bidding on this key here. Holy smokes, that just looks crazy. I mean, so that's what caught my attention on the listing was the bidding. I was like, wow. I don't know what they wrapped it, kind of plastic this is, but it's good wrapping. And that was one of them. So this one's got, looks like somebody's tried to drive a pin out. Still works. Let's see, they are different biddings, but again, oops, look at the gatekeepers on the front of that key. I don't know how that key is, not been broke over the years. That sucker, I don't think they're here. Nope, they are keyed differently, of course, because the bidding. I just make sure. But those two right there are just crazy bidding. I mean, holy smoke. See that one? No, nope. But I honestly don't expect to get these picked right out of the package. But I'm going to give it a shot. And let's see. We'll try this one first. I think that was this one. Yep. Which the keyway, I'll say, looks fairly open. So I don't know. We'll see if we can give it a shot. Let's see. 1.2. Is it gonna make a little too tight? Maybe just does fit. I think it's 1.2. No, it's 1.3. Let's go down to, where's my 1.2? I haven't switched. Oh, that's why. They're in different slots. That's why it didn't fit the first time. Alright. Whatever. So, see if we can go in from the bottom and feel for anything. I feel like they're finding, or I'm picking more than one or two. Maybe picking more. Okay. Okay. So everything's just bringing someone put a little bit more tension on this thing, and click there. Two. Say 1, 2. Say 1, 3. And let me go even deeper. Not getting any more clicks, so I'm going to reset and try a little bit different tactic. Alright, so maybe not as heavy this time. So 1, that picks. So 1, 2. Maybe a little shorter, maybe not that tall. 1, nothing. 2, I think 2 gave me a click. Give me another click. Now it's back stringy. I'll take that back. That was 3. Looked at 1, I felt a little bit of rotation on 1. 1 click, it was more just a rotation on the core. Okay. 3 just pushes all the way to the roof. 2, and I just felt like that was overset. So I'm gonna lighten up and just, alright, click out a 2, click out a 3, 4 is solid, I'm gonna leave it, just feels rock solid. Right, a second, 3 springy, 2 springy, 1 springy. So 2, 3, 4. So we'll ease up, give 4 or 5. Alright, feel a little bit of movement on the core when I let that go. See if anybody else wants to bind now. Yep, a couple more binding. Okay, it feels solid. I can push through it on 2. 1, just give a click. Okay, everything's going back springy, so I'll overset and we'll release. I heard something click. Okay, 2 is binding, we'll leave it. I think it's 3 binding maybe. Yeah, I think it's 3. Feels pretty solid. Alright. So yeah, these are, yeah, I don't think I'm going to get these out of package. I'm going to probably give it to 10 minutes and then I'll probably just fast forward to all this. But, yeah, kicking them all. Yeah, they're just very, I mean, you use locks, so they're not going to be pristine and give completely. Let's see how much, I'm just trying to see how much tension that core takes, and that's right, rather stiff. Even there, it's, you know, it's not springing back, so this may need a little bit of love. I mean, look at how stiff that core is. Yeah, that needs some cleaning, to say the least. So yeah, things are not looking in my favor. Let me see how this one feels. Same. This one's a little bit springier, a little bit smoother action. We'll give it a try. See if it just happens to be that one needs cleaning, but you know, that's gonna be my excuse per se. You know, it's a good excuse, at least in my mind. Back to it really stiff. Well, okay. Should have started with that one, but at least I got it open. That's at 11 minutes. That was on this bitting. That one picked alright, but as you can tell, this core is in a lot better shape. It's a lot cleaner, more feedback versus this one. Yeah, that needs some cleaning because it is a sprung core. It's just, yeah, needs a little TLC, and then I'll give that one a try again. But that is still some, both of them are still pretty extreme bidding, I believe. But all right, thanks for sticking around and watching the video.